Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing 2 viral TikTok foods. Let's go ahead and try them out.
We have strawberries, kiwis, and some tangerine.
I have this bowl that I'm going to fill with ice water.
I have skewers. I have sugar.
Got my skewers and now I'm putting the strawberries in. I'm going to do this for the tangerines and also for my kiwis.
This is the final product, guys. Look at the little swirls on the strawberries. I mean, make sure you have your vent on and your windows open, and make sure you test the candy as well.
Mandarin. The tangulu was really delicious. I will tell you guys that after you're done with like the sugar, and if you have some in your pan, put a little bit of water in there and get it to a little simmer, and then you guys can dump that out or wash it with hot water. Be careful with the hot water, but that's the only way you'll get that sugar out. Now I'm gonna make Catrice's famous and viral pasta salad, which is by the Funny Mama. It consists of this pasta, red onion, tomato, cucumber, Olive Garden Italian dressing, and last but not least, McCormick Perfect Pinch Salad Supreme Seasoning.
Now tomatoes and cucumbers, adding the seasoning, and she mentions to add a lot, so adding as much as I can. This is a lot already. Now the Italian dressing.
Okay, you're supposed to wait, so the next day basically, but I'm not gonna wait. I wanna try it now. It's good. I think what she means is that it gets more fermented for the next day, but it's so good right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like this, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.